Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how email to Acumatica purchase order automation powered by AI helps enterprises transform procurement. Through a live demo, you will see how our workflow operates and how it eliminates manual purchase order processing, improves accuracy, and scales effortlessly across the organization. In this workflow, whenever an email is received, eZintegrations first checks whether it contains a valid purchase order in formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. If a purchase order is found, the workflow continues. Otherwise, the email is ignored. So, to fetch emails, we connect eZintegrations with the email source by selecting email as the source and providing the required credentials. Once connected, we click Next to move to the next step. This opens the operations page, where we verify and validate the purchase order. First, the system checks the format of the purchase order. If it is a document, we use the Document Understanding API operation to extract the data. If it is an image, we use the Image Understanding API operation to extract the information. Once the data is extracted, we use our AI operation to create the payload by passing a prompt, and the AI generates the structured payload for processing. Before sending the data to Acumatica, the workflow performs several validations. It first checks whether the vendor exists in Acumatica using this API operation. If not, an alert email is sent. Next, using that API operation, it validates whether the inventory items from the purchase order exist in Acumatica. If any item is missing, an alert is triggered. Then this API operation checks whether the purchase order already exists in Acumatica. If it exists, the Update API operation is used to update the existing purchase order. And next, that API operation will attach the purchase order document also with the data to Acumatica. If it does not exist, the Create API operation is used to create a new purchase order in Acumatica, along with the document attachment. In this way, the workflow automatically handles the entire process, performs validations at every stage, and sends alerts wherever human review is required. Then we will move to the target page. Here, we connect to Acumatica ERP, where the purchase order data will be ingested. The system creates or updates the purchase order in Acumatica, and also attaches the original purchase order document directly to the ERP record for full traceability. Finally, we go to the summary page, assign a name and description to the workflow, and click Submit to save it. You'll be redirected to the integrations page, where you can manage your workflow. To start it, simply click Run. Once the workflow is triggered, all valid purchase orders from email are automatically synced with Acumatica ERP within minutes. Now we can see that the purchase order we use has 4 items, and now all 4 are available in Acumatica. The data and the document too successfully synced. Let me show you. If you open the File section, you can see the purchase order in the pop-up window. When you open it, it is the same document we used, confirming that the purchase order is attached. Using this automation, enterprises can move away from manual, error-prone purchase order processing. The workflow intelligently handles document and image formats, validates vendors and inventory, prevents duplicates, and keeps humans in the loop only when needed. The result is faster procurement, higher accuracy, and complete control. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.